Hey everybody, this is Tom at Rip Kings. Hope everybody's doing well. Doing a one box 2014 Bowman Draft personal box break from a man, Tom K. He says he wants me to break like lightning. Let's drop that down. Remember, after this, we'll get back to the museum. 6 boxes left from the museum. We're doing a 3-box break tonight. There's 2 case hits left. We're hoping to see at least one, if not both, in the 3-boxer. The football is completely sold out. The only thing I have spots left in would be the baseball, the 2-box draft. Let's hope I save the auto for last. We will do the first half of the box. All right, we will just get to the hits. It snuck up on me quick. Nick Howard refractor auto for the Reds. Not numbered. I should have known it's after that 89 Bowman thing. All right, let's hope we get a good color in here then. Just saw Cameron Varga paper go by. A nice colored Bryant will make up for that. We got a blue paper coming up. I am very upset that I pulled the auto right away. I know better than that. For the Cubs, blue paper, Carson Sands. Nice red Varga refractor coming up. Wouldn't that be something? I want to say Nick Howard is in the Reds' top 10. I could be wrong. At least I thought he was. I'm not even seeing any color whatsoever. Usually you get one, at least blue, unless I missed it in this stack. You got the Nick Howard non-auto version of the refractor. Black, there it is. Black refractor, Ryan McMahon. Black refractors are out of 75. Silver Ice, Rafael Devers. Chipping away at that $50 bill. Chris Bryant paper. He's number 16 on the top 100 or number 16 for the Reds? Yeah, there's a Varga chrome. Get the Varga out of here. All right, I think that's going to wrap us up. Silver Ice Taekwon Forbes for the Rangers. And that'll do it. That's Tom K's one-box break of 2014 draft baseball. Coming up next, three boxes of museum. www.ritkings.com. Thanks, Tom K.